Hello champions, how are you all? I'm sure you're doing absolutely fantastic. So in today's session, we're going to talk about sound of double O. Okay? So sound of double O means sound of 2 times O. O, O. Okay? So sound of O and O together sounds like oo. Okay? Oo. So now let's look forward towards some words which are using this sound. Okay? Let's begin. The first word we are having is book. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Correct. The next word we are having is pool. P-O-O-L. Pool. The next word we are having is food. You know the spelling of food, right? F-O-O-D. Food. Correct. The next word we are having is tool. T-O-O-L. Tool. The next word we are having is foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Yes. The next word we are having is moon. You know the spelling of moon, right? M-O-O-N. Moon. The next word we are having is boot. B-O-O-T. Boot. The next word is hook. H-O-O-K. H-O-O-K. Hook. The next word is wool. W-O-O-L. W-O-O-L. Wool. Correct. The next word we are having is wood. W-O-O-D. W-O-O-D. Wood. The next word is cook. Your mother cooks food for you, right? Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. And the last word is roof. R-O-O-F. R-O-O-F. So this was all for the sound of double O, which sounds like oo. Okay. Now can you tell me some other words which include the sound of double O? Yes, you can. So now tell me those words and we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.